Which of the following about a superstar lecturer will the author most likely agree with? Where do we have this reference? It is the second paragraph that refers to a superstar lecturer, and the passage says that a superstar lecturer could create such a positive feeling of learning that students would choose those lectures over active learning. So it can be inferred that a superstar lecturer is a passive learning lecturer. Also, the passage says that such a lecturer could promote inferior pedagogical methods. So let's look at the question in this context. Answer choice A, such a lecturer is wrong in his approach. The passage simply states that a superstar lecturer could promote inferior pedagogical methods. The passage doesn't suggest that the lecturer is wrong in his approach. This is too strong an answer choice. So let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, such a lecturer is a good example of active learning classrooms. The passage says that a superstar lecturer could create such a positive feeling among students that the students would choose his lectures over active learning lectures. So it can be inferred that the superstar lecturer is a passive learning lecturer and not an active learning lecturer. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, such a lecturer's influence on students hurts the students more than it helps. In the context of the discussion related to the superstar lecturer, the passage does not compare the advantages and disadvantages of the lecturer's influence on students. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice D, such a lecturer is ill-informed about the merits of active learning. All that the passage says is that a superstar lecturer could promote inferior pedagogical methods. The passage doesn't comment about whether the lecturer is ill-informed about active learning. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, such a lecturer may promote less effective pedagogical methods. Yes, this is what is implied here in the mind map. The passage says that a superstar lecturer could create a positive feeling among students and would make the students choose his lectures over active learning, and hence the lecturer may promote inferior pedagogical methods. This thought is correctly captured in this answer choice. E is the correct answer choice.